Welcome to This Explainer. If you've spent literally any time online lately, you've definitely seen the massive hype around automated online businesses. I mean, everywhere you look, there are these wild claims about artificial intelligence doing all the heavy lifting while you just sit back and count the cash.
You know the ones. People claiming they're making thousands in passive income, millions with dropshipping, 100 grand in a single week. It honestly sounds like a modern-day gold rush, and AI is supposedly handing out the pickaxes.
But that really begs the question, right? Is it actually that easy? To figure this out, we're going to dive into a super fascinating real-world 7-day test. A traditional business builder decided to put these crazy internet claims to the ultimate stress test. We're going to see if AI can truly build a profitable business from absolute scratch in just 1 week.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here's the exact roadmap we're following today. 1. The challenge rules. 2. Niche and storefront. 3. Products and automation. 4. AI video ads. And 5. The raw financial results.
Starting right off with Section 1, the challenge rules.
To keep things completely fair and transparent, they set up 3 strict rules. Step 1, AI has to make every single business decision. Step 2, a maximum budget of just $250. That means pretty much every tool used has to be free or virtually free so the cash is saved for marketing. And Step 3, show the raw, step-by-step results. The overarching goal here was to generate $1,000 in pure profit on a super tight 7-day timeline. And the stakes? If the challenge failed, the creator promised to give away $1,000 of his own money.
Moving on to Section 2, niche and storefront. Now, you obviously can't sell to everyone, so the creator used the dummy scroll method, basically just scrolling a fresh Instagram account and interacting only with dropshipping ads to see what people were actually spending money on right now. ChatGPT analyzed all those trends and picked a clear winner, the pet niche. From there, an AI tool called Build Your Store completely bypassed the whole tedious, expensive web design phase. It literally spat out a professional, pet-focused layout and hooked it right into Shopify for a $1 trial. Pretty wild, right?
All right, Section 3, products and automation.
This is where things get really interesting. Enter AutoDS. This is an AI tool that handles the heavy lifting, completely automating product sourcing, pricing, listing optimization, and direct-to-customer shipping. And this brilliantly illustrates the whole modern dropshipping model. When a customer actually buys something on the storefront, AutoDS automatically processes it and the supplier ships the physical item directly to the buyer's doorstep. The AI even crunches the numbers on pricing to make sure there's a solid profit margin built right in.
But wait, the AI wasn't just finding these products, it was actually fixing them up for the store. If you've ever looked at original supplier descriptions, you know they are famously terrible. I mean, one pet toy was randomly titled New Year 2026. Make it make sense. But using AutoDS's AI bulk editor, these messy copy-paste disasters were instantly rewritten into clean, professional, engaging copy, the kind of copy that actually builds trust with a customer.
Of course, relying totally blindly on the internet is always a huge risk, so the creator did something absolutely crucial. He ordered physical samples. And man, it's a good thing he did. One of the products, an interactive ball, showed up feeling incredibly cheap and had this chaotic, confusing light. Immediate reject. No way you're selling that. But then, there was a silicone dog paw cleaner. Super high quality, quiet, and powerful. Honestly, a great product. The big takeaway here: AI is amazing at handling the supply chain, but human quality control is literally the only thing keeping you from shipping garbage to your buyers.
Okay, Section 4, AI video ads.
Before firing up the marketing machine, the brand needed some polish. Using ChatGPT to brainstorm, they registered the domain name thrivingpaws.store. Using that .store extension is a smart move because it instantly tells people they're hitting a retail site. Next, an image generator called Nano Banana AI quickly whipped up a really professional, cute logo. So in mere seconds, the brand's visual identity was totally locked in. Now for the commercials themselves, they used a tool called Create UGC, User Generated Content, and this thing is incredibly cool. It generates AI avatars that look, act, and speak like authentic customers just filming review videos on their phones in their living rooms. It instantly creates all these varied hooks and ad directions, totally dodging the massive costs of hiring real influencers. But the AI isn't perfect. Case in point, when generating an ad for an AirTag collar, the AI totally missed the mark. It spent the entire video raving about how water-resistant the collar was and completely forgot to mention that the whole point is to track your lost dog. So yeah, human intervention was definitely required to fix the script. It just goes to show that we still very much need that human element to steer these automated tools.
And finally, Section 5, the raw financial results. Now, what's really interesting about these numbers is how they anchor all those lofty internet claims right back to hard reality. After a 7-day run, total revenue hit $424.41. That came from selling 17 of those dog paw cleaners and, oddly enough, one single pet broom. Now you subtract roughly $170 for product and shipping, a $150 Meta Ads budget, and that $1 Shopify fee, and we land at total costs of $320.85.
So when the dust settled, the 7-day profit was exactly $81.56. Obviously that missed the $1,000 goal, so the creator technically failed the challenge and gave away his own money. But think about it from a different angle for a second. In just one single week, using almost entirely free AI tools, a completely functional automated business was built out of thin air, and it actually turned a profit.
Which leaves us with a pretty provocative question to wrap up this explainer. Could a human touch turn that $81 AI baseline into a sustainable monthly income? What this whole experiment really shows us is that no, AI is not some magic button that instantly makes you a millionaire while you sleep, but it is an incredibly powerful foundational tool. It literally strips away the massive technical and financial barriers that used to stop people, letting almost anyone launch a real business in a matter of days. The tools are absolutely there, they're working right now, but they are waiting for human ingenuity to actually scale them. Thanks so much for joining me to break this all down, and keep learning.